Let me show the testing operation of 1200 watts shortwave and 6 meters power amplifier with a cooling system based on heat pipes, and it has MRF1K50 transistor inside. The drain voltage is supplied by flat pack 2, which gives me 53 volts. This is the dummy load with the directional coupler for a spectrum analyzer. The power meter is a Bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, which means 2.5 kilowatt full scale. The internal power meter is calibrated according to Bird on 20 meters. Let me show. Slightly above 1000 watts, the same as here. Okay, дальше можно его не показывать. But it is made for 90 watts on input. Let me show how it works band by band, starting from 160. And you will see the power and harmonics on amplifier output. If I rise to 100 watts, it's still working. Okay, let me return to 90. Then I will show how CW looks like. then this is B, power low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, power low, CQ20. Then I will disconnect the 50 ohms dummy from amplifier. Power low, high stand wave ratio of protection is engaged. I have to disconnect the 50 volts, return the dummy. Switch on the drain voltage. Ensure that everything is working. Okay, I think that's all.